Hi guys, I'm Claudio. I'm in Rome, and I am a musician. Yeah, not a professional one, but I love to play music. I have a very small home recording studio where I used to play music with friends, where I used to create some songs, make covers, and spend my free time, maybe normally during some weekends, to play music, to create something, to enjoy the music. And then normally, as always, I use computers, keyboards, digital effects, or whatever. And normally, I used to make a clone of all my data on an external hard disk. And this is what I did during the last 10 years. So you can imagine all my music, songs, all my creations, all my everything was stored into this external hard disk. And 3 weeks ago, when I was doing the clone of my music, of my data on the external hard disk, unfortunately, the electric power went down. So the system crashed, of course, and when I restarted the computer, what happened was the operating system didn't recognize anymore the external hard disk. You can imagine I was scared because over there was stored roughly 1 terabyte of data, 10 years of my music. And I was really dispirited. And I tried to use all the utilities that I have, like data rescue, uh, utility, utility disk, whatever. Nothing happened, and apparently the disk was seriously damaged. So, in a, very scared, I went to internet, start to Google something just to find if anyone else, if someone else had my same bad experience. And finally, I went across to the Stellar Data Recovery website. So immediately I understood that it was my solution because it's a very easy to use, a friendly website. So what I did was just to download the the software, register myself, and uh, and try it. What happened was immediately after was 18 hours, 19 hours of scan of the hard disk because finally the software recognized the damaged hard disk. So it started to scan, and at the end it said, okay, this is what we can recover, and this is what you had. More or less was 99.5% of my data. So I was so happy to buy the software and then go ahead with, okay, go ahead. And after 8 hours, roughly, all the data were back again. So you can imagine my happiness. And what I did was immediately to buy another artist to make another copy. So just to be sure that all the data were safe. And you can do the same if unfortunately you would have the same bad experience. Simply go to the website, Stellar Data Recovery, and then trust them and go ahead. Ciao.